Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer a playlist from Spotify to Amazon Music using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Songship, download and install the app. This helps move playlists between music services. Once app is installed, open it. When the app opens for the first time, tap Get Started and follow the on-screen permissions. Now connect your music services, tap Spotify and log in with your Spotify account. After that, tap Amazon Music and sign in using your Amazon account. Make sure it's the same account you use for Amazon Music. Next, it's time to choose your playlist. In Songship, tap Setup Transfer, then select Spotify as the source. Choose the playlist you want to remove. After selecting the playlist, choose Amazon Music as the destination. Songship will now match your Spotify songs to songs on Amazon Music. Review the matches if you want, then tap Confirm Transfer. The app will start moving your playlist. It may take a few minutes depending on how many songs you have. When the transfer is finished, open the Amazon Music app, go to the library, then playlist. You will see your Spotify playlist now available in Amazon Music. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your Spotify playlist to Amazon Music using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.